Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening the browser menu and selecting Settings so you can change cookie behavior. Once done, navigate to Privacy or Security because that groups cookie controls together. Make sure to open Site Settings or Content Settings next. These pages show cookie options immediately. You're doing the first actionable steps now. Find the cookie's entry and pause on it. If you see a search box, type cookies to jump straight to the control. This saves time and prevents clicking through unrelated menus. You must toggle the cookie switch from blocked to allowed so websites can store necessary data. This enables logins and preferences. Once toggled, decide whether to block third-party cookies. Uncheck that option to permit common trackers from other domains, or keep it checked for stricter privacy. Make sure to add site exceptions for trusted pages so they always work. After changes, click Save or Done to ensure settings persist. If your browser asks to restart or relaunch tabs, do that to apply the new cookie rules. Complete the process by testing a website that needs cookies. Log in or set a preference to confirm it works. If something still fails, clear cache and cookies for that site because stale data can block new permissions. Once done, disable extensions that block cookies temporarily. They often override browser settings. If problems persist, restart the browser or open an incognito window to isolate the issue. One key troubleshooting tip: if a site won't accept cookies, clear only that site's cookies and try again before wider resets.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.